आज हम आपको रेस्पायरेशन के बारे में विशेष रूप से जो ग्लाइकोलाइसिस या ईएमपी पथवे बताया था। ग्लाइकोलाइसिस की समरी क्या है? व्हाट इज समरी ऑफ ग्लाइकोलाइसिस? टुडे such point has discussed. In the glycolysis, very important point is it occur in 10 steps. Glycolysis occur in 10 steps. It means glycolysis is 10 steps biochemical process. It completed in 10 steps. And second important point is end product is. End product means in the 10th step. End product is pyruvic acid. Here pyruvic acid is 3 carbon compound, but 3 carbon compound here total of 2 molecules of pyruvic acid produces in the glycolysis. As you know, glycolysis occur in the cytoplasm, in which 6 carbon glucose stepwise breaks, and in the 10th step it produces 3 carbon compound pyruvic acid. This pyruvic acid produces 2 molecules in the glycolysis. Here few compound like the PgAl 3 carbon compound. PgAl means phosphoglyceraldehyde. PgAl means phosphoglyceraldehyde used up in the production of, in the formation of, used up in the synthesis of amino acid. Amino acid synthesized by the such phosphoglyceraldehyde. In abbreviation it is written as PgAl. Next important fact of glycolysis is net gain of 2 ATP. Net gain of 2 ATP, and here net gain means the total of 4 ATP produces in the glycolysis and 2 ATP used up. So 4 minus 2 equal 2 ATP. So net gain of ATP are 2 ATP. But total of 8 ATP produces. Means total 8 ATP produces in the glycolysis or EMP pathway, because glycolysis another name is EMP pathway. Sixth important point is in the glycolysis production of 2NADH H positive or 2NAD2H positive. Here 2NAD2H positive produces by 2NAD positive. As 2NAD positive which combine with 2H positive means this 2H positive obtained when 2H produces 2 proton and 2 electron. This proton is in the form of hydrogen ion. So this two hydrogen ion combined with 2 NAD positive and makes 2 NAD 2H positive. Another important point of glycolysis is pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid means 3 carbon compound is the initial compound of oxidative decarboxylation. Oxidative decarboxylation means decarboxylation occurs in the presence of oxygen in the mitochondria. So this is the summary of glycolysis. In the summary of glycolysis, as discussed, it occurs in 10 steps. Second one, end product is pyruvic acid as 2 moles produces by the 1 molecule of glucose. Pyruvic acid 3 carbon compound. Next one, phosphoglyceraldehyde used up in the synthesis of amino acid. For example, amino acid as the glycine. Glycine production take place, serine production take place, etc. Net gain of 2 ATP occur in glycolysis. So in glycolysis, net gain of 2 ATP take place and total of 8 ATP produces in the EMP pathway. EMP pathway is another name of glycolysis. Here the next important point is NAD2H positive produces by 2 NAD positive by the addition of 2H positive, which obtained as a result of the hydrogen. Here pyruvic acid is the initial compound of oxidative decarboxylation. But there is a question, what is fate of glycolysis? Means this is the summary of glycolysis, and fate of glycolysis is net gain of 2 ATP, total gain of 8 ATP, and it occurs in 10 steps. Now the fate of pyruvic acid. Next point is fate of pyruvic acid. It means what happened for pyruvic acid in the future. As pyruvic acid 3 carbon compound, what happened in the future? So first of all, I study about the one phenomena which is called as oxidative decarboxylation. Oxidative decarboxylation case, the 3 carbon pyruvic acid changes into the 2 carbon acyl coenzyme A. 3 carbon pyruvic acid changes into the here 3 carbon pyruvic acid which is 2 moles. Now 2 moles means 2 molecule changes into the acyl coenzyme A. This acyl coenzyme A is 2 carbon compound and it produces 2 molecules, 2 moles. But in this case, a change occurs in which the 2 NAD positive now changes into the 2 NAD 2H positive. Here, involvement of magnesium ion environment of lipoic acid and environment of coenzyme A in the reaction, and removal of one carbon dioxide, environment of TPP and NAD. So these are the 5 cofactors: magnesium ion, lipoic acid, coenzyme A, and thiamine pyrophosphate, and NAD means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. These are 5 cofactors involved in the conversion of 3 carbon pyruvic acid 2 molecules into the acyl coenzyme A 2 carbon 2 molecules. So in this way 2 carbon dioxide removed in the reaction. This is called oxidative decarboxylation. Here removal of the carbon dioxide in the chemical reaction. Removal of carbon dioxide gas in the chemical reaction is called decarboxylation. But when such type of chemical reaction occur in the presence of oxygen, I mean to say in the aerobic respiration, it is called as oxidative decarboxylation. Oxidative decarboxylation is the second steps of breaking of glucose from pyruvic acid. It now produces 2 carbon acyl coenzyme A by minimizing 1 carbon. Here pyruvic acid 2 moles are present as it produces after the glycolysis. After the glycolysis, the 3 carbon pyruvic acid produces as the end product. But 3 carbon 2 moles pyruvic acid produces 2 carbon compound acyl coenzyme A. This is also 2 moles, in which the liberation or removal of carbon dioxide take place. But here hydrogen also produces. So the name of enzyme is called as the pyruvate. Enzyme name is known as pyruvate dehydrogenase. Pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme used up in the synthesis of acyl coenzyme A by the 3 carbon pyruvic acid. It occurs on the outer membrane of mitochondria. It occurs on the outer membrane of mitochondria. Mitochondria, which is the cell organelle generally called as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria known as powerhouse of the cell because numbers of ATP, which is called as energy source in the cell, synthesized during the different steps in the matrix of mitochondria in the Krebs cycle. And here, after discussion of oxidative decarboxylation, second steps of the minimization of carbon from 6 carbon to 3 carbon as in glycolysis, and then 3 carbon compound pyruvic acid produces 2 carbon compound acyl coenzyme A in the oxidative decarboxylation. After this, the main fate of pyruvic acid is the 2 carbon dioxide again removes and total of 3 carbon dioxide produces by the pyruvic acid. 1 carbon dioxide in the oxidative decarboxylation and 2 carbon dioxide produces in the Krebs cycle. But what is Krebs cycle? This is the question. Now we study about the Krebs cycle. We study about the Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle, here it is the main topic. Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is also called as TCA cycle. TCA as full name is tricarboxylic acid cycle. So tricarboxylic acid cycle abbreviation is TCA cycle, which is known as Krebs cycle. Why it is called TCA cycle? Because it produces the first product as known as citric acid. Citric acid, which has formula CH2 COOH COH CH2, here COOH CH2 COOH. So in the citric acid, the 3 COOH means carboxylic acid present. Due to the presence of 3 carboxylic acid in the citric acid formula, it is called as tricarboxylic acid cycle. And citric acid has the molecular formula CH2 COOH COH COOH CH2 COOH. So 3 carboxylic group present here in the citric acid. That is why it is called tri means 3 carboxylic acid. This is COOH as carboxylic group. So why it is called Krebs cycle? As the Hans Krebs, the scientist Hans Krebs in 1937 explained this cycle. Hence, on the honor of Hans, the cycle is called as Hans Krebs. Full name is Hans Krebs. So cycle is called as Krebs cycle. But what are the important point of Krebs cycle? This is the question. So Krebs cycle important point are like it occur in 10 steps, and second one, one cycle produces total of 15 ATP. And next one, first 5 carbon compound is alpha ketoglutaric acid. Alpha ketoglutaric acid is first 5 carbon compound. And next one is the production of 3 NADH positive, one FADH2 and one GTP produces in the Krebs cycle. Here, these are the important points of Krebs cycle. Important points in which first one is it completed or it occurred in 10 steps, like glycolysis. Glycolysis also completed in 10 steps. Second one Krebs cycle produces total of 15 ATP from pyruvic acid. It means pyruvic acid से यदि हम प्रारंभ करते हैं तो सबसे पहले 2 कार्बन कंपाउंड एस्टाइल कोएंजाइम ए बनेगा और इसमें 3 ATP प्रोड्यूस होंगे। अब क्वेश्चन है 3 ATP कहाँ से आएंगे? 3 ATP प्रोड्यूसेस बाय द as a result of 2 NADH positive produces. So 1 NADH positive produces the 3 ATP. So 1 pyruvic acid when produces 15 ATP in one Krebs cycle, then 2 moles of pyruvic acid produces total of 30 ATP from the pyruvic acid. But from एस्टाइल कोएंजाइम A, which is 2 carbon, although pyruvic acid 3 carbon compound, total of 12 ATP produces. Total of 12 ATP produces in Krebs cycle when it has noted from acyl coenzyme A. So these are the important facts in the Krebs cycle which has noticed here. And sixth important fact is first product is citric acid. Citric acid is 6 carbon compound. Hence Krebs cycle also called as CA cycle. Here CA means citric acid, which is first product in the Krebs cycle. It is first product in the Krebs cycle. But what is the stage of total steps of Krebs cycle? So I will discuss about the Krebs cycle in detail. Krebs cycle occur in the matrix of mitochondria. In the matrix of mitochondria, Krebs cycle occur in the matrix of mitochondria. First important point. Here, if we start the Krebs cycle from pyruvic acid, then we know that pyruvic acid is 3 carbon compound, and pyruvic acid, which after removal of 1 carbon dioxide produces 2 carbon compound known as acetyl coenzyme A, which is 2 carbon compound. Here the NAD positive changes into the NADH H positive. Generally, the acyl coenzyme A, 2-carbon compound, now produces the 6-carbon citric acid. When acyl coenzyme A, 2-carbon compound, combined with the oxaloacetic acid, which is 4-carbon compound. So 4-carbon compound oxaloacetic acid combined with 2-carbon compound acetyl coenzyme A, then liberation of coenzyme A take place and use of 1H2O also take place in the presence of a condensing enzyme. Here, presence of a condensing enzyme, then citric acid as first product, that is why Krebs cycle, also known as CA cycle. Here, CA as term as first alphabet of citric acid. So it is CA cycle. I have discussed already that citric acid has 3 carboxylic acid. That is why Krebs cycle, also called as tricarboxylic acid cycle. Here, citric acid later on liberate the water molecule in the presence of ferrous ion and enzyme aconitase. The change of the citric acid occurred in the form of cis-aconitic acid. Cis-aconitic acid also 6-carbon compound, but later on one water molecule added again in the presence of ferrous ion and aconitase enzyme. Now synthesis of 6-carbon compound, that is the isocitric acid, take place. Isocitric acid is 6-carbon compound. Then isocitric acid changes into the one compound called as oxaloacetic acid. Here it is oxalosuccinic acid. So oxalosuccinic acid also 6-carbon compound, but there is a change occur as it is the ATP pool. ATP pool from pyruvic acid, total of 15 ATP produces. So one NAD positive now produces one NAD H positive. Here the enzyme name is the isocitrate dehydrogenase. Isocitrate dehydrogenase, because the hydrogen produces after oxalosuccinic acid, which removes one carbon dioxide in the presence of oxalosuccinate decarboxylase enzyme. Oxalosuccinate decarboxylase enzyme, it produces 5-carbon compound alpha keto glutaric acid 5 carbon compound as first 5 carbon compound produces by the decarboxylation from the 6 carbon compound oxalosuccinic acid. Later on, by the alpha ketoglutaric acid, addition of coenzyme A SH take place and the synthesis of 1 NADH plus H positive take place. Here, liberation of 1 carbon dioxide again take place, and generally in this case production of 4 carbon compound which is called as succinyl coenzyme A SH. It is 4 carbon compound take place, but the name of enzyme is alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase enzyme used here. Succinyl coenzyme A 4 carbon compound now produces the succinic acid, which is also 4 carbon compound, and liberation of the coenzyme A SH take place, addition of 1 water molecule take place, and production of GTP from the GDP plus PI take place. In the presence of enzyme succinate succinic thiokinase enzyme used. Succinic acid produces the 4 carbon compound another organic acid which is called as fumaric acid. In this case, liberation of water molecule take place in the presence of the enzyme which is. Now the succinic or succinate thiokinase enzyme used when the succinic acid changes into the fumaric acid, then the enzyme fumarate used. And one water molecule removed. Here also the change occur, that is the FAD now produces FADH2. Fumaric acid synthesized malic acid which is also 4 carbon compound. In this case, 1 water molecules added in the reaction, and generally here the name of enzyme is like here 1 water molecule when liberate in this reaction, this is called as the succinate dehydrogenase. When the 1 water molecule is added with the fumaric acid as 4 carbon compound, then enzyme used is fumarase. When the fumaric acid now changes into the malic acid. Fumaric acid changes into the malic acid. As malic acid produces the oxaloacetic acid 4-carbon compound by the removing one water molecule, and a type of change occur in which NAD positive now changes into the NADH plus H positive. So in the ATP pool, this is the ATP pool in which ATP synthesized as the different types of product obtained like GDP, and the total of ATP pool has shown here by the circle which occur on the oxysome. In the oxysome means F1 particle which is present in the inner membrane of mitochondria. So once again I explain the Krebs cycle. In this case 3-carbon compound pyruvic acid first of all changes into the 2-carbon compound acyl coenzyme A, which combined with 4-carbon compound oxaloacetic acid. Then the coenzyme A liberate, means remove, and one water molecule added in the presence of condensing enzyme, and first product produces, that is citric acid, which is 6-carbon compound. Citric acid 6-carbon compound, hence it is referred sometimes as Ca cycle. Citric acid in the presence of Fe2 positive and enzyme aconitase remove one water molecule, produces 6-aconitic acid 6-carbon compound, which produces isocytric acid 6-carbon compound in the presence of Fe2 positive and aconitase enzyme when one water molecule is added. After this, isocytric acid changes into the oxalosuccinic acid in the presence of enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase when NAD positive produces NADH plus H positive, and oxalosuccinic acid 6-carbon compound when remove one carbon dioxide in the presence of oxalosuccinate decarboxylase enzyme. Then it produces first 5-carbon compound alpha ketoglutarate acid, and this alpha ketoglutarate acid now in the presence of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase produces 4-carbon compound succinyl coenzyme ASH when coenzyme ASH added with the 4-carbon compound produces by the removal of one carbon dioxide by this. So the succinyl coenzyme A when remove the coenzyme ASH by the addition of one water molecule, GDP combined with inorganic phosphate produces the GTP, means guanosine triphosphate in the presence of enzyme succinate thiokinase. This succinic acid is 4-carbon compound which changes into fumaric acid in the presence of enzyme succinate dehydrogenase when H2O liberate, and the FAD changes into FADH2. Fumaric acid later on changes into malic acid 4-carbon compound when one water molecule added in the presence of fumarate enzyme. Malic acid in the last produces oxaloacetic acid 4-carbon compound when one water molecule liberate and change of one NAD positive into NADH plus H positive. This is all the summary of the Krebs cycles. Now all of you subscribe the my channel Super Classes. Thank you.